Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a Cirrus White. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A Sahara Beige MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate. A set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. A sail trim interior, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 9,670 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmanimports.com.